Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today you join me with the BMW Z4, the latest cars to the channel. Now I'll start by apologising for the lack of content. I'm going to get back to it and provide you guys with plenty more car tutorials on all sorts of vehicles. But for now, we have the BMW Z4, the newest car to the channel. I am actually going to do a series on this because there's quite a story to it. It's not all that meets the eye, but for today I'm just going to show you guys the fuse box locations, which is normally the traditional welcome to the channel video. I'm not going to talk too much about it right now, just let you guys have a look at it, notice some imperfections already perhaps, and in the next video we've got a lot to talk about. But for now, we'll get inside it, we'll have a quick chat and show you guys the fuse box location for the BMW Z4 E85. Let's go. Alright guys, you join me inside the Z4. Oh, there's another thing that doesn't work. Like I say, the next video is going to be interesting when we talk all about this, should we call it a dog? But yeah, another story for another video. So fuse box location, as far as I can see, there's only one in this car and it's located on the passenger side. So we need to move over. So I'll rejoin you on the passenger side of the car. One thing I do want to say is though, it's a good idea when messing with fuses at all to disconnect the battery, because it's quite easy to short stuff, pulling them in and out. If you get a little spark, it could blow a new fuse, it could break something else, blow a relay. For what it's worth, disconnect your battery before you do your fuses, if you're just checking one, replacing one. For those of you who don't know and new to the car, I've done a short, simple video. It's nice and quick and simple on the battery location, how to disconnect it and stuff. There'll be a link somewhere around your screen now. There'll be a link in the description to said video. It's only a few minutes long, so just give that a quick watch so you know what you're doing. Get the battery disconnected and rejoin me in the passenger side. Let's go. Alright guys, it's a bit cramped in here because it's a small car. Try my best. So we're going to open the glove box first, get rid of all toilet rolls first, and then you'll see there's a little suspension arm thingy here, which conveniently is already disconnected. It's meant to go in that tube, and I think you can clip it off at the bottom properly. Next thing is a case of squeezing the two sides in. So up here somewhere, it's actually quite hard to show on this. There will be a button there. A button there. See? So you press one in and sort of put a bit of pressure on it. I'm sort of holding my arm on it. If you've not got a camera in your hands, you can just use two hands. It's a lot easier, I promise. But if you've only got one hand, you know, put a bit of pressure on it, press one, and then the other, ow, and then smash it into your own leg. It's the best way to do it. And this will drop the glove box all the way down, revealing your fuse box. So all the big main fuses at the top, there'll be things like start motors and stuff, the heavy duty ones, and then everything else, all your electricals. That is the full fuse box. So like I say, make sure the battery's disconnected first before you start messing with them. Fuse box diagrams are easy to get hold of. A quick Google, you can get an image with what's what. If you don't want to do that or you're struggling, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. And if you're lucky enough, these should have spare fuses in them and a little tool to help get them out. I'm not that lucky because it's an old car and it's had a long hard life. Again, it will be explained in another video. But that, guys, is the interior fuse box, or as far as I know, again, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, the only fuse box for the BMW Z4 E85. After you're done doing what you're doing, we can then simply pop the glove box back up past the tabs, reconnect your glove box suspension, I'll try and do this now for a laugh, just in case your pistons come out like that. That should slide in there. Quite hard to do with one hand on camera, but I'm sure not impossible. There we go. And there we go, got hydraulics again. Look at that. Smooth. Good design for a over 20-year-old car. There we go. Good as new. And that, guys, is the fuse box location on the BMW Z4. I hope you found this video useful. Like I say, there'll be plenty more content to come to make up for my big break. And a great little series on this car because it's an interesting one. Lots of quirks. Let's just say if it wasn't cheap, I would be in a bad financial way right now. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.